Is that real sweat?
It's real sweat. I'm a high performance athlete. Athletes sweat. Sweat, baby. Sweat, sweat.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Sunday, June 22nd. Today we are doing a time trial here at a middle school track. It has been 2 weeks since our half Ironman. We're going to test out how speedy we are. Oh, it's too hot for this. I'm already sick.
Alright. Are you ready to run?
Yeah. How hot is it? 90 degrees?
Yeah, it's like 90 degrees today.
It is very hot. I'm gonna pass out.
One of my favorite features about Coros, they have this little distance thing that I use. And go. 1 mile to go. We are cruising through lap 1 at 9:09 pace.
It's hot.
Yeah. The heat is quite killer today, but that's what summer running looks like, so you just gotta deal with it. We are 3/4 mile in. We have 1 lap to go. The heat is roasting, but I still think we have a good shot at both of our goals. Any final words?
This is me after our 1 mile warm up. Sweaty everywhere, dying already. Eee. So this is gonna be scary. Okay, you ready?
Any final words?
I'm scared.
No, you got this. I believe in you. You're under 6 right now. You're at like 5:30. She's doing good. She's pushing. She's currently kind of right on track for that 6. You're doing great. What's your heart rate? You just gotta hold this. The next one's gonna be the hardest one, but you can do it. I believe in you, boys. Woo! Let's go, Rachel! That's Lightning McQueen. Look at her go. Let's go, Rachel! I'm so proud of you. You're doing it, you got it. You gotta go, Rachel, go!
It's slow.
You're good. How you feel?
It's so hot. And then you get in like the heat patches and you just get like hot wind blown at you. Oh God. It's so torture. Oh God. I think we need to do it again in the cooler. I can go faster. This is Rachel after my all-out mile. 6:48. It's so hot. I'm dying. A disappointment, Borzoi.
Why is
Next time.
Why disappointment?
Slow. Slower than last year.
Yeah. I'm willing to bet a lot on I think my time's gonna be slower than last year. In case you ever wonder if the camera guy works hard, this is just the sweat from filming. This isn't even doing it. I'm very proud of this. I'm good. I hope this inspires you to go try a mile. Not in the middle of the sun though. Do it at a different time of day. That's pretty much all we got here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I hope you have a happy, beautiful, and blessed day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.